Hello friends, welcome to the Life of Fun. We were discussing the topic counting number of triangles, and in this video also we will continue the same. So this is today's figure. Here we have to count the number of triangles. As I have already told you, you should always go with the sequence. Divide the figure into smaller parts and try to count the number of triangles. Go with the sequence so that you don't miss any triangle. So let's begin. So the first thing we will do is divide this figure. So I am going to divide this figure this way. This is one part of the figure. This is the second. And this is the third part. So we will go with this part first. We have already discussed that this figure will always have 8 triangles. You can see my counting number of triangles part 1 video. In that video I have explained it elaborately how this figure will have always 8 triangles, or you can click on the I button to get the link of the video. So this figure has 8 triangles. Same with this figure. This figure also has 8 triangles. Now this figure has 3 triangles. 1, 2 and this one, big one, 3. So we already have 8 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 19 triangles. So we have divided the figure and counted the number of triangles. So we are done with the first step. Now we will go with sequence, and now we are going to join the figures. Single figures, done. Now we are going to join the figures. So when you join these two figures, you will get this triangle. These two triangles. So we have more 2 triangles. See, let's name it A, B, C, D. This figure has A, B, C, D has 8 triangle. C, D, E, F has 8 triangles. 8 triangles. Now when we joined these figures, we got one more triangle, A, D, E. A, D, E is another triangle, and this one, B, C, F. B, C, F, another triangle. And this figure, if we give it the name G, BFG has 3 triangles. So now we have total number of triangles 21. Now we have joined these two figures. Now so we are going to join these figures. If we join this figure and this figure first, so we will get one more triangle, B, C, G. This is another triangle we will get, B, C, G. One more. And when you join this figure and this figure, we are getting this triangle. So C, F, G is another triangle. So we had 21. Now we got more 2. So total 23 triangles. So number of triangles in this figure are 23. First, go with the sequence, separate the figure, count number of triangles separately. We got 8, 8 in both the figures. Then we joined these two figures. We got extra 2 triangles. And in this figure we have 3 triangles. Then we joined this figure and this figure. We got one more triangle. We joined this one and this one. We got one more triangle, and total number of triangles in this figure are 23. Thank you. That's all for today. Keep watching.